Good morning. Today we're going to discuss about Python loops. There are two types of Python loops you can find. The first one is the while loop and the other one is the for loop. Okay. If you look at the loops, there can be two kinds of loops. One is while loop and the other one is the for loop. Now let's understand about while loop. Before you're going to proceed, you have to set up an interpreter in this PyCharm. Let's first configure it. For the interpreter, I'm going to add pip environment interpreter. Should work. Okay. Now let's demonstrate the Python. First, you know about the print statement. I mean, we can type hello by using print statement and it's going to print out hello. And let's see how it's going to work. First, let's discuss about an infinite loop. Let's say while true is equal to print hello, and if you print it out, it will print hello non-stop, because whenever the program is set to true, which means it checks while is true, yeah, and prints again, the loop continues, while is true, yeah, then again the loop continues, and it will be like an infinite loop. So if you want to print out hello for like let's say 10 times, we can make this small adjustment. First, let's initialize I value as 0, and then if I is less than 10, the while loop will continue, but if it is not less than 10, it will not continue. For the sake of this program, though, first the I is 0, will go until 10. When the value is 10, it is no longer less than 10. This will not going to print hello. But if you're going to execute this code, it will still go infinite, because the I value is not incremented. After printing hello, we can simply increment I value just like that. I was just like that. We can increment I value, and after printing hello for 10 times, it will go into stop execution. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's done. It's like that. It's quite simple actually. This is a simple representation of the while loop. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. Thank you.